Rajeshwari here, and the session was very insightful, sir. So I have that's kind of a basic question, but the thing is, like, I'm so confused with the different softwares that I have been using from yesterday, sir, because I have downloaded like the Unity, and we have this BS Contact, and can you just go through the basic differences between each of these softwares, sir? Because again, we have this Vivati also.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So
yeah, just to be clear.
actually, this is actually a very old programming language. It was invented in year 1996, and people were actually creating the codes by typing them in the text pad, in the notepad, and that was the actually coding technique they were using. So later on, somebody developed this tool called as Vivati Studio, and there is one Web 3D consortium. So actually, that is maintaining the standard for this VRML, X3D, and X3D Freedom. So actually, VRML is the starting point. From VRML, we have migrated to Extensible 3D, and from Extensible 3D, we have migrated to X3D Freedom. So you can convert the VRML to X3D, and from X3D, you can actually go to the X3D Freedom. Now, for the people like, say, myself, we don't have any programming knowledge. So it will be very difficult for us to write the code. So we can apply the logic back, but it is very difficult to write the code. And if we try to write the code, there will be a lot of say spelling mistake, and the code will not run. And there are a few, very few, you can say, people who have got the knowledge of VRML. So if you want to create anything with VRML, probably you will not get any kind of expertise. So I have seen that there are only 7 to 8 people throughout the world, and they are charging very heavily. They are charging, say, 90 dollars per hour for a creation of a simple code. So I find it very difficult to create something new. So I tried this particular tool called as Vivati Studio. It was available at that time. Now they have removed that particular tool from the website. So I am having the setup of this tool. So this is a graphical programming method. So you can install the tool, and then you can actually write the code in a graphical manner. And then you can export these codes in the VRML format. And some modifications are required that you can do it manually. So that we can do it manually, but you cannot write a say 100-line codes or 1,000-line code with just keyboard and mouse. That is not possible for people like uh, people who don't know the programming. Like say myself, I'm from the mechanical engineering, so I can apply the logic, but it is very difficult for me to write the code. So I have invented this method of creating the codes, and then you can create the stuffs like say that I have shown you, and then you can create the entire website also. Yesterday I have shown some clips of the website. So I have created one, you can say, biggest website in the world with the help of VRML. So it is having a lot of objects, 350 objects, and these are the large size objects. So it is having machines, it is having labs, it is having temple and birds and sky and trees and everything. So it looks exactly similar to our physical world. So I have created a entire VRML world with this Vivati Studio. So that is the actually basic logic of using the Vivati Studio. So it is a, you can say, blessing for the people who don't have the programming knowledge. Okay. Now coming to the BS Contact Player. BS Contact Player is the player actually which shows you the contents created with VRML. So whenever you will download the VRML file, it contents will not be displayed directly. You have to download one plugin, that is the BS Contact Player. But alternatively, there are a large number of plugins. You can try those. But I find this particular plugin as one of the most updated and modern plugin. And there is only one company in Germany which is working in this area. That company is Bit Management. So you can go to the site of that bit management and you can explore the things what they are currently doing. So I think I have answered your question to your
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah.
It was very clear. Thank you, sir.
Anything else?